So we see the curated, consented medical data becoming increasingly commercially valuable to the demand side of the market. So the question is, why is that? Well, I think first of all, you've got to look back. We're coming from an environment where data was fragmented, it was hard to access, it was certainly hard to put into a shape and a form that was then readily usable for other purposes. If you now fast forward, you've got an environment where the data sets can be aggregated. The technology that we have allows it to be curated or shaped into a format that's now fit for purpose for the demand side of the market. We can do that with a consent flow that means that the patient is always aware and understanding of what their medical data is going to be used for and how it's going to be presented. So the framework around that data becoming available is now robust and is readily understood by the market. Once you've got that in place, and the reason that therefore this data becomes increasingly commercially attractive is that on the demand side of the market, those who use it, they can use it now in a way that allows them to automate their decision making, to make their decisions based on product and service quicker, more accurately, more reliably. That allows them to provide it back to the patient more cheaply. So you've got a sort of a halo effect of all those three factors driving better value more efficiently for better service. In that context, you then have to think forward a little bit. In an environment where, again, the patient is much more comfortable with sharing their data over time, because the frameworks are in place I've just described, you can then add in insight back to the patient using that medical data. So for all those reasons, the value of this curated, consented medical data is significantly increasing, and we expect that to continue.